Now next topic I will take how to minimize the impact of global warming. There are a number of ways to minimize the impact of global warming. First is technological measure, second economical measures, third is policy measures. So these are the ways you can minimize the impact of global warming. So let us study first one, A1, technological measures. So under this, first is use of renewable sources of energy. Students, here you have to use alternative source such as wind energy, like solar energy. So these are what? Renewable source of energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy must be used to generate the electricity in place of the fossil fuels. Fossil fuels like coal and petrol, oils. So we have to switch on to the renewable source. Fossil fuel based plant must be banned. Second is use of biochar stoves for cooking. So what is this? Let's see. For burning the biomass, I have already discussed in the previous class what is biomass. New technology must be used to burn it in absence of air. In absence of air, that is anaerobic. Especially constructed stove where air is not needed. In absence of air, that stove is known as the biochar stove. It releases smokeless, no smoke, combustible gases like methane CH4 and hydrogen H2, leaving a charcoal residue which can be buried. You can bury this in the soil. Clear? So this is biochar stove for cooking. Now third one, change of transportation vehicles. Now you know vehicles like lorry, truck that are used for transportation should be run by the internal combustion engine. Like they should use the greenhouse gases. Clear? Or battery operated vehicle should be used because it will reduce. Why battery operated? Because it will reduce the emission of carbon dioxide. Clear? Now how will you charge those battery operated vehicles? You will charge with the help of the electricity. And from where that electricity will come? The electricity will come from the renewable sources like wind, tidal, ocean, solar energy. So this way, these are the technological measures. Now we come to the economic measures. In economic measure, first is reforestation and sustainable use of land. In developing countries, pressure of population and industrial growth is so much. That means what they are doing it? They are deforesting it, cutting down the forest, cutting down the plants and trees. So what they have to do? What we have to? Reforestation. Again, we should be based on agriculture practice and we should plant more trees. Now second is industries to pay carbon taxes. This one has to be really way to minimize the global warming. So what we have to do, since the industries are giving out too much of carbon dioxide, too much of pollution, carbon dioxide we are getting from the industry. So the industries has to pay the carbon tax. And it should be calculated on the basis of how much carbon is coming out from the industries. They have to be calculated hourly. Clear? So their bill has to come in the form of the tax, carbon tax. Third, C part, policy measures. The government has to take some policy measures. First one is educating children to live sustainable lifestyle. So we have to teach, we have to educate you. I have to educate you that genuine happiness is lie in less competitive and more cooperative society. So we have to join the hand together to consume more, and buying more must not be our aim. Whatever is necessary, that should be more, we have to pay more emphasis on that. Clear? All these materialistic things is temporary. All this materialistic games, mobiles, unnecessary numbers of cars and vehicles, these are all materialistic things. That is a temporary pleasure for us. Now second, controlling population through family planning, welfare reform and the empowerment of women. So this need to be controlled, population. Now population can be controlled through various measures. Free and easy access to the family planning. Second, welfare provision has to be given to encourage the small family. Third one, empowerment of women. That means freedom to choose the future, women's to be educated, because educated women are more conscious about the family due to their career commitments. So these are your way to minimize the impact of the global warming.